Hello viewers, this is Holly and Ava reporting to you on earthquakes.
This will be about earthquakes, so many earthquakes.
As an experiment, we'll be sending a friend, Lauren, as a test experiment into earthquakes that have already happened. From earthquakes that measure to be small in the Richter scale, a scale that measures different levels of earthquakes, to catastrophic.
You're sending a person in there?
Yeah?
Cool, I'm in the mood to see someone get destroyed.
Lauren's indestructible.
Are you sure about that? Yep, she's indestructible, right?
Anyways, let's go to the Richter scale. Richter scales measure the severity of an earthquake. For example, a 0 to 1 earthquake that measures on a Richter scale is a microscopically small earthquake that humans cannot feel. This earthquake cannot cause any damage. But earthquakes that measure 9 and over on the Richter scale can cause unbelievable damage, even to wall-built buildings. They can cause landslides, uproot trees, tsunamis, and even more destruction. But don't worry, viewers. These earthquakes happen very rarely. Fun fact, a 9 and over scale earthquake measures up to around 20 trillion and over sticks of dynamite. Let's put Lauren up to the test on a 9.1 earthquake that happened on 2011, Japan. We'll be using advanced tech, so it's just as destructive.
Am I a human dummy?
Pretty much, yeah. Earthquakes are caused when rocks underground suddenly break along a fault. This sudden release of energy causes the seismic waves that make the ground shake when two blocks of rock or two plates are rubbing against each other.
I'm proud that you studied up for this test. But did you know this? Before an earthquake begins, there are two waves. First comes the P wave, the primary wave. It arrives a few seconds or minutes before. You already explained what they are. The S waves, secondary waves. The S waves are much slower than the P wave, but cause much more destruction. Alarms have been constructed to sense the P waves and alert people a few moments before the S wave, the earthquake, hits.
What does a P wave feel like?
It's mostly like a sharp jolt.
Can I feel it? Can I feel it?
Oh, shut up.
Oh my god. Well, okay, now I'm just gonna say something. Earthquakes are measured by seismographs. It is an invention used to detect and record earthquakes and how serious they are.
It is a mass that is attached to a fixed base. When an earthquake is in session, the base moves and the mass does not. The mass has a pen or pencil attached to it. So when the base moves, the mass records how much the base moves. Then, after the earthquake, the series of lines that the seismograph has drawn on the paper is how serious the earthquake was.
Hey guys, what's happening? Are you still recording?
Oh, I was expecting a rough landing.
I never liked them anyway.
Oh my god, I am not paying for the burials.
You don't have to.
Hello viewers, this is Holly and Ava reporting to you on earthquake.
Lead me to the land that you understand.
As an experiment, we'll be sending...
We're playing Tower Bell. Oh, dude, that should be a noob to the society.
No, dude, I was just...
Hold on, more trash. A series of lines that the seismograph has drawn on the paper is how serious earthquake was.
I wanted to see if the sound actually came out, except I don't know if it comes out of this one